Here's the big swing, people. Alright. Little cave over there. There's some people down here. Jesus, it's like a whole little village. Being bamboozled by a stick of bamboo. Okay, we'll look at this trip first. What's with these signs, eh? To hidden canyon, Tegenungan.
Next waterfalls. From here, mate.
Blangsinga. It's our next waterfall. So it actually has two names. So two different villages manage this waterfall. Therefore, they both want a piece of the name. But however, on the sign, it's only got Blangsinga. But on my map, it's got Tegenungan, if I'm saying that right. So if you see Tegenungan Blangsinga, it's two different villages. They both want to be a piece of the name. So that's the story. Alright, this costs $3, 30,000, and we'll go down these steps and see what we find. You do 100k for a swing, which is pretty popular apparently. Here's the big swing, people. Alright, it's different. The water's way down there. We've got cafes here, a lot going on, eh? We've got some pools here, we've got some infrastructure. A lot of stuff is built around waterfalls here, it's just wild. Okay, so like a little trib stopping in there. So it's in there, so right, being bamboozled. Being bamboozled by a stick of bamboo. Okay, we'll look at this trip first. Yep, because it's on the way and we do whatever's on the way first, people. So that's the way it is. Not bad for a little trip. Wow, it does have some current in it, that's wild. Let's go from here. Got little minor birds flying around here. There's some people down here. Jesus, it's like a whole little village. Wild. I just got whistled. Whistling is the guy got up me basically till I went on the edge. But hey, I want to get on the edge. That's pretty sick. Wow, it's sort of flowing it. What's with these signs, eh? Why's the serious fuck me wrong? What? Are you kidding me? That's so weird. Alright, let's move it up the side here. That'd be loud, but we're here. Yeah. There's some flow in it. Holy hell. Woo! Okay, find our way down here. We're far along to go back. Talk about infrastructure. So much stuff here. These rugged walls. So much going on here, eh? So they're making rock dams for tops of mountains that we're totally on. This glare of the sun is ruining this photo right now, actually. That's freaking annoying. It's definitely a strong current in that water. Wow. Can't even see it, there's so much glare. Whatever it is, so better over there. That's the worst waterfall so far for sun glare, so you can't even see it on the photo. So you're paying $3 for something you can't even see. Hopefully it's less glare over here to see. It's a better angle without the sun now at least. Good stuff. Very wet, sandy bridge. Sick. Little cave over there. I'm not going to let you get in about the bastards. Wow. Nearly found the hole in the water. No, the dragon just went past Mr. Whistle again. He's not happy. Classic security for the waterfall. Okay. I don't know if I can get up this way or what. We'll see. Just went to the toilet and I just thought this sign was pretty funny. Actually looks like a resort pool, yeah, it's nice. Okay, short and sweet again. A lot of people. Not, yeah, it's worth its money, but it's not. It's just that sun glare. Yes, you get photos on the other side, but I don't know. It's very over condensed here with structures and restaurants. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the journey. Feel free to like and subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of any new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.